don't have makeup and brushes the long blonde hair. One day she asked me, do I look alright? And I said yes, you look wonderful tonight. Go to the party and everyone turned to see this beautiful lady walking around with me. One day she asked me, do you feel alright? And I said yeah, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes, and the wonder of it all is that you don't realize how much I love you. It's time to go home now, gone knocking hell. So I give her a carving, she helped me to bed. And then I tell her, as I turn out the light, I said, my darling, you are wonderful tonight. Oh my darling, you are wonderful tonight.